In this video, I'm going to teach you how to verify Facebook account. First, you need to make sure that your Facebook is updated. And then open your Facebook app. Go to your profile, scroll it up, and select Help and Support. Under Help and Support, choose Help Center. In here, you need to search how to verify Blue Badge or how to verify your account. In here, select Request a verification on Facebook. Under the Verify your profile or page, you will notice the word Fill out this form. You need to fill out this form. Tap, and then here's what you need to do. For example, what are you verifying? For me, I'm verifying my profile, so tap Profile. You also have to put your document like your valid ID, your national ID, identification card, passport, and then you have to attach it here. Choose File. Upload it. Once done, you have to choose your category. What your page is all about. Are you into sports, music, or others? Once done, select your country. Like me, I'm living in the Philippines. And the other blanks are optional. You can also put any link here like your Instagram account, TikTok account, Twitter, personal blog or website, etc. Once you're done filling out this form, just click the send button. And that's it. You will get a notification soon in your notification box. Just check it anytime. And that's it. Hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.